is a good sign. Homer's unfastened the top button on his pants.
No, he's been walking around like that since Thanksgiving.
I'm surprised he just doesn't give it up and go for sweatpants.
He says the crotch wears out too fast.
Yar, that's gonna replace the whale in my nightmares.
Well, don't worry. The giant Eclair will knock Homer off the food page and into the obituaries.
Wait a minute. They're gonna kill Dad.
Oh, that's a spicy meatball.
So if we don't find Dad, this crazy French guy is gonna kill him. Only your father could take a part-time job at a small-town paper and wind up the target of international assassins. We can find him faster by splitting up. You take fried foods, you take salty snacks, I'll take desserts. Break.
Oh, so full. Belly button moving from innie to outie.
Ooh, that looks scrum diddly doodly dudley.
Get lost.
A rude Frenchman. Well, I never.
Ooh, sweet.
Dad, no! It's gonna kill you!
I've had a good run.
Don't! It's low fat!
Ooh, that was close. Thank God it landed in that smoking crater. Take him into custody, boys. Attempted murder 1. Now, boys, what would you say to some Belgian waffles?
Actually, I was in the mood for some frittatas.
Lou and his frittatas. Oh, he likes eggs.
Oh, Lisa, you saved me. And after all the bad things I said about you,
What bad thing? Why?
Lisa, the important thing is I didn't get my comeuppance, and I never will.